What if I told you that the moment you switch on AI mode, your device starts doing things you can't see, but definitely feel? It starts watching, analyzing, adjusting, and predicting, all in milliseconds. But what is it actually doing? Let's break down the truth behind AI mode. Alright, let's start with the basics. When a device says it has AI mode, it doesn't mean it suddenly becomes self-aware or starts writing poetry. In most everyday gadgets, AI simply means the device is using patterns, algorithms, and learned behavior to make automatic decisions for you. Think of AI mode as a smart helper built into your device. It observes what's happening, compares it to what it has learned, and then adjusts settings without bothering you. It's like having a mini technician living inside your device, constantly tuning things for the best result. Now let's peek under the hood. When you turn on AI mode, your device does three main things. 1. It starts collecting real-time data, not your personal data, but information like brightness in the room, your voice level, motion around you, colors in a photo, noise in the background, what you're watching or listening to. 2. It analyzes the situation. Your device has been trained on thousands or millions of examples, so it looks at the data and thinks, this looks like a dark room. This sounds like wind noise. This picture seems to be a landscape. This user always increases brightness at night. 3. It adjusts settings instantly. This is where the magic happens. The device boosts clarity, enhances color, reduces background noise, sharpens your photos, improves voice detection tweaks, performance, lowers battery usage, all automatically. You don't have to touch anything, it just happens. Okay, let's talk real examples. TVs that have AI picture mode or AI sound mode. Here's what actually happens. AI picture mode. Your TV analyzes the brightness of your room, the colors in the scene. It analyzes motion on screen, sports versus movies, and whether you're watching cartoons, news, movies, or games. Then it automatically adjusts contrast, sharpness. It also adjusts brightness, color saturation, motion smoothing. So if you're watching a dark movie at night, the TV makes shadows clearer. If you're watching sports, it smooths out fast motion. AI sound mode. Your TV listens to voices, explosions, background music, ambient noise in your room. Then it adjusts audio so voices pop more clearly and sound feels more balanced. Basically, AI mode tries to give you the best version of whatever you're watching. This is where things get really interesting. Modern phone cameras have AI mode or scene detection. Here's what happens when you open your camera with AI on. Your phone identifies the scene. Faces, pets, plants, food, sunsets, cities, night shots, motion. Then based on what it recognizes, it automatically tweaks. Exposure, shutter speed, color balance, skin smoothing, sharpness, saturation, contrast. Pointed at food, colors get richer and warmer. Pointed at a person, skin tones get smoother and more natural. Pointed outside, sky becomes more blue, grass more green. Pointed at a pet, fur becomes sharper and more detailed. So the camera does the editing before you even take the photo. Ever seen AI noise canceling on headphones? Here's what's happening. Your headphones listen to your environment using tiny microphones. AI analyzes the noise around you and adjusts cancellation in real time. On a bus, AI increases low-frequency cancellation. In a quiet room, AI reduces processing to save battery. On a windy day, AI blocks wind noise. Someone talking. AI lets voices pass through if you're in transparency mode. Instead of one static setting, the headphones adapt to every sound around you. Your phone also uses AI behind the scenes to learn your habits. With AI mode enabled, your phone learns things like when you usually charge, which apps you open most, how bright you like your screen, how loud you play your music when you go to sleep, which apps drain your battery. Then, it automatically slows down unused apps, limits background activity, boosts performance when needed, adjusts brightness, intelligently extends your battery life. So instead of wasting power on things you don't use, your phone tailors itself to you. Now let's clear up a big misconception. AI mode doesn't mean your device is spying, thinking, or becoming self-aware. It's not reading your messages or controlling your life. It's just recognizing patterns and adjusting settings accordingly, similar to how a smart thermostat learns when you like the house warm or cool. So that's what actually happens when you turn on AI mode. Your device becomes more adaptive, more responsive, and more personalized, all without you lifting a finger.
If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech explainers just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.